Hakakat nyau terik urempang arajar arpun riau ke Bethany Society lai mkra Shillong haringkat ke jengatre lang bat ka Enable India Bangalore kenang ban Pynsuk ya kibriu badan jing Duna haki Dkhot met ban yok jing tip bat habatre ya kikam kijam kalau Wanrah bat belat ya kawi ke Rynsan ke beletip kum ka awa Vaani. Hakani kesengi la penlong ya ke jengelang ha Bethany Society ke badan halat mkra Shillong hakaba uba HM sang pliang nong aibut jang ke sorkar jela uladan lang kum ukong san Kiba pet ya ke awa Vaani na Bangalore Kiba Duna Dkhot met shinrang bat kentei bat kiwe. Uba HM sang pliang haba ai jingkren ula ong ba kani ke Rynsan kan yarap shibun bat unse kren bat umentri rang ba ke jela ukon rat ke sangma ban bu lang ya ke ketin khasi bat ke ketin garu hapo kani ke Rynsan awa Vaani.
Coming here for one reason or the other, and I love being with all of you here. Thank you so much, Ricky, my brother, who is always helping the Bethany Society here. I'd also like to thank Dylan and of course Madam Nandini for coming all the way from Bangalore along with her team. And my dear friends, today seeing this presentation has really touched my heart. It has touched my heart because this is just not a digital platform. Finally, we have a voice. Yeah. It is not a launching of a digital platform. It is launching of a voice. Launching of a space for all of you. And launching of a movement. It is a movement. I cannot believe that by just pressing the button in the phone, we can reach all over the world. The world has become so small for you now. You have heard the testimonies in the video when that young person said that I feel so closed up. I do not know anything beyond my life. But the moment this Vaani came into his life, it has opened up. It has opened up his visions. It has opened up his thoughts. It has opened up his ambitions, and it has opened up his life. It made his life more happier. Just as like we, normal persons, have the opportunity or have the privilege to social medias, to mobile phones, to all kinds of gadgets. Now, this platform, our Vaani, is giving you that similar platform. I'll be very happy that each one of you would kindly get connected to our Vaani. For the time being in English, definitely I'm going to take this matter up with the Honorable Chief Minister. I'm also the advisor in the government. And I'm going to suggest to the Honorable Chief Minister that we have to have 2 more channels, that is in Khasi and in Garo. And that is the time when we have in Khasi, we are going to call it Vaani Jongi. And when we have in Garo, we shall say Antingni Vaani. Am I right or not? So, I'm going to take this matter up. I would request the authorities concerned here to kindly submit a letter to me, addressed to the Honorable Chief Minister. I'm going to carry that letter to the Chief Minister and I'm going to present it to him.
To live a dignified life in the society for past 26 years. We are also working in the rural, we are also working in the digital. We are all giving different types of training and our staffs going to their places and giving the training, selecting the partners, and we are developing the disciplines. In our aim not to leave one person also without inclusion. Everyone must get the information. So without information we cannot do anything. Wherever we are, we must get some information to do something. So we started Vaani in 2016 in Kannada language. So that made very great possibility. All the people through their voice. This is very friendly for VI also to use. This platform is very friendly platform. They can easily use. This is voice based. Our voice is called as Vaani in Sanskrit. So we have taken as a Vaani standard and we called as Enable Vaani. We have now in 5 languages. In Kannada it is called Namma Vaani. We saw the growing of Namma Vaani. Immediately we started in Hindi language Amari Vaani. Then Hindi also we say almost all the states, 23 states we reached now. Anyhow we have reached 20, all the states it is there. So we saw the growing of Vaani. The people are using to provide their solutions and also some places they also ask their challenges. The community itself will answer the challenges. So it is a very fast growing platform. So we started in Tamil and even in Bangla. Now we started in English because English can be used in almost all the states to give common solutions for all. So in November we started our Vaani. Now we'll see one small video how the person with disability to live. It is called as a girl says song.